Seeing is way better than reading, don't you think? Let's explore together. Hey everyone, welcome back to my Nova Scotia adventures. This week we explored some beautiful spots and even had a little detour that turned into a delicious treat. We started our day by parking at Riverside Park, a peaceful spot right next to the Middleton Nictaux Loop trail. The loop itself is a 3.3 kilometer hike that takes you through a scenic back ATV road. One of the highlights was walking over a beautiful rustic bridge. We even got to explore the charming town of Middleton itself. Though I sadly missed getting photos of the great houses there, I did manage to capture a few of the old churches. Finally looping back to our car at Riverside Park, we decided to take a walk along the river, where we were able to see the bridge we walked over earlier from a different perspective. This park is quite a hidden gem. Not only does it include a boat launch and prompts for yoga poses along the way, it also boasts 70 red maple trees, which were planted in the shape of a heart in 2001 in memory of many locals. It won't be in full bloom or color yet, but I can't wait to come back in the summer and fall. It will be a spectacular sight. Of course, our adventure wouldn't be complete without a little surprise. We hit a detour thanks to an accident. Because of this, we ended up in Bridgewater, home to one of only 2 Arbys in the entire province. Let's just say our detour turned into a delicious supper break. With bellies full and spirits high, we continued on to the famous Lunenburg Photo Spot. And let me tell you, the view did not disappoint. The sky was ablaze with colors, and it was the perfect way to end the day. All right, bonus content time for those who stuck around until the end. You see, sometimes the best discoveries happen unexpectedly. While making a pit stop in Lunenburg at the gas station, I spotted an interesting interpretive sign right across the street. Curiosity piqued, I wandered over and learned about the fascinating architectural feature called the Lunenburg Bump. But what are these Lunenburg Bumps? Well, I can tell you they are not bumps on the land, that's for sure. Instead, they're the nickname for the distinctive 5-sided Scottish dormers that have been extended past the roofs of many Lunenburg houses. These dormers are the most unique feature of the town's architecture, and they first appeared in the 1870s and were used to Victorianize older homes or as an attractive feature on new houses, and are usually above the main entrance. These bumps may be supported by plain or ornate brackets and are sometimes supported by a porch built below. Approximately 20% of the houses in Old Town Lunenburg exhibit this charming feature. Thanks for joining me on this Saturday adventure. Nova Scotia never fails to surprise me with its beauty and unexpected twists. Until next time, happy exploring!